Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I just wanted to talk a bit about starting online and making some extra money online and why most people will fail. And it's really not a big mystery. It's not some crazy thing. It's just they don't get started. And that could be for a variety of reasons. They're afraid that like it won't be right, won't be good enough. They'll screw up. They don't know what they're doing. They're too busy. I mean, I've heard that one a million times. Being busy is like one of the biggest push-offs. Oh, I have to watch my children. I can't do it. Oh, I can't do it because I need to wait till the weekend. Then they get to the weekend and they push it off. And the next thing you know, a month later, they're still talking about it and they still haven't done it. I mean, I've been working online for probably 10, 15 years. I have 2 young children. I still tried to find some time here and there, and I was able to make that money online. And, it helped out. I ended up being the one who watched the kids more just because of the way it worked out. And so I did this because I didn't want to just sit around do nothing. I like to do stuff and work. So I went online and I was like, what can I do? I didn't know anything. There's no magic book, nothing special. I'm not some super genius. I just put in the time and effort, learned, built, grew, and then I just keep trying. I mean, I failed like 6 times before I really got anywhere. And I just kept going. I kept working. I kept trying. And then eventually I was able to get it and build it up, earn some decent income. I was fortunate. I get to do what I want when I want, and I built it up to a full-time job basically and earned some good money. But I'm not anyone special. I'm not anyone amazing. These people who've done it online aren't geniuses. They're not, super smart. They're not savvy business people. They don't they're not smarter than you. They're not better than you in any way. They've just put in the time. They started and they earned some money with it. They kept going. But that doesn't mean it's too late for you. I mean, the internet is a huge place. There's tons of money online to be made. And just because someone's doing something in one space doesn't mean you can't jump in and get yourself in there and make some money too. Everybody can earn online. Like, that is definitely true. I've help some people set up businesses online, and they were able to make money, and they were in a super saturated market. People have tried new ideas and they've made some money. I've also known people who fail. It happens. Not everything works out because things change. It is the internet after all. It's always changing. But there's so many tools today to get started. There's people who are like have done it. Doesn't mean you can't. When I started, they didn't have a lot of these tools. YouTube was not nearly as big as it was. There's people like me talking about it. I didn't have AI that I could ask questions to, and it kind of could help you with that, or the amount of tools and stuff online to help you build. But the biggest thing is get started. I mean, the amount of times I've heard people tell me, I'll start next week, a month later, they're still talking about it. They still haven't started. A year later, guess what? They still haven't started. I mean, I know so many people, I count on my hand the amount of people who said, I want to do business locally or online or whatever. Guess what? They're still working their 9 to 5 or whatever they're doing. And I think maybe one person I know has actually started who delayed and put it off. It's really tough to get started because people are scared. They're worried that their stuff's not good enough. They're worried that like they need to be perfect or this or that, or nobody's going to want their stuff. You know what? You'll get better doing it. That's like the biggest thing I learned is my first stuff sucks. This video, I'm going to look back in like 5 years and I'm going to be like, wow, this video was terribly recorded. And what I'm doing is so much better in the future. But you know what? It's the doing it that's really helped me learn, help me grow, help me expand. You can sit here, be a perfectionist and all this stuff, but while you're doing that, the other guy's building his stuff. The other person's making their thing and putting it in front of people and seeing what's going to happen. And that is how they made the money online. So this is just a quick video. I just wanted to say, hey, how's it going? I like to help people who, maybe are busy, have kids, can only put a few hours in a day or a week, whatever. But you know what? Those people can make some money online. And it's nice to be able to contribute, even when you don't have the time to do it like some people. So we're just going to be talking about stuff, looking at different things, seeing ways you and people can make money online. So subscribe for more, and let me know when you're going to start your online business. I'm hoping right away, but see you next time. Bye.